Good morning, class 11. Dear student, topic is trigonometric function and question is prove that cos cube x sin 3x plus sin cube x cos 3x equal to 3 by 4 sin 4x. Here we will take left hand side. It is cos cube x sin 3x plus sin cube x and cos of 3x. Now there is a formula of sin 3 theta. It is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. From this we will get sin cube theta equal to 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta upon 4. And there is a formula of cos 3 theta. It is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Then from this cos cube theta is 1 by 4. It is cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. We will shift 3 cos theta to the left side, divide by 4. Now, from this we will put the value of cos cube x and sin cube x. Therefore, it is 1 by 4 cos 3x plus 3 cos x into sin 3x plus it is 1 by 4 3 sin x minus sin 3x into cos 3x. Now here 1 by 4 whole common, then it is cos 3x into sin 3x, just open the bracket, plus 3 cos x into sin 3x plus 3 sin x into cos 3x minus sin 3x into cos 3x. And this is cancelled out. So it is, now 3 is common. Now there is a formula. It is sin 3x into cos x plus cos 3x into sin x. It is a formula of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, which is sin a plus b. So it is 3 by 4 sin of 3x plus x. It becomes 3 by 4 sin of 4x, which is RHS. Hence proved. Dear student, next question is prove that tan x plus tan pi by 3 plus x minus tan pi by 3 minus x equal to 3 tan 3x. Dear student, here we will take left hand side. It is tan x plus tan pi by 3 plus x minus tan pi by 3 minus x. Now there is a formula of tan a plus b. It is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. If it is minus sign, then there is a minus and there is plus. So left hand side becomes tan x plus tan pi by 3 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 3 into tan x minus tan pi by 3 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 3 into tan x. Dear student, value of tan pi by 3 means tan 60 degree and it is root 3. So it is tan x plus root 3 plus tan x upon 1 minus root 3 into tan x minus root 3 minus tan x upon 1 plus root 3 into tan x. Now we will take the LCM. LCM is 1 minus root 3 into tan x into 1 plus root 3 into tan x. So it is tan x into, it is 1 minus 3 tan square x plus root 3 plus tan x into 1 plus root 3 into tan x minus root 3 minus tan x into 1 minus root 3 into tan x. Now it is tan x minus 3 tan cube x plus root 3 plus 3 tan x plus root 3 tan square x minus root 3 minus minus plus 3 tan x plus tan x and it is minus root 3 tan square x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. There is a formula of a minus b into a plus b. Now here plus root 3 and minus root 3 cancel out and it is plus root 3 tan square x, it is minus root 3 tan square x. Now it is 1, 2, there is one more tan x. Is it tan x into 1? This is also plus tan x. So it is 9 tan x minus 3 tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Now here 3 common. So it is 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Dear student, this is the formula of tan 3x. So it is 3 tan 3x, which is RHS. Formula of tan theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So it is tan 3x.